Hey bitches, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel. We're doing a surprise YouTube video today because I wanted to come on here and reveal PDB Creative Studios art box. I got this in Thursday. We were able to unbox them yesterday on Friday the 19th, and I showed it live in my Facebook group, which I'll have all that down below in the description box. But I wanted to do kind of a slowed down revealing, and I just checked the website and PDB through some of these art boxes on the site. So if you missed out, or you're just the type of person that needs to see it before taking that plunge, they got it taken care of. But like I said, let's get into it. It's about 6 minutes long, but I just wanted to show each and every piece that is jam-packed into this box, y'all. Y'all ready? All right, let's get it. All right, bitches, let's get into this box. So first, we have 4 square sheets of vinyl, and they are so cute. And what I love about PDB's vinyl is it is printed on a matte finish. So it has some stretch, and it is so easy to work with. If you can't see, this box is candy themed, and here we go. You get your little card. It tells you everything, and even a little inspo picture on what you can do with the phone cases. You get your backpack. It's super, look, we were saying I may use that. I may use that for myself. You get some foils. Has little watermelons and fruits on them. Super cute, and that's a lot. We get some Happy Fox Supply Co. straws. You get 4. A Samsung S23 and iPhone 15 phone case blank. These rhinestones are everything with the little suckers. I love this mix. We have a couple of molds, little candy molds, little hearts, pretzels. We got some gummy bears, bonbons, and a cinnamon roll. 3 different sizes of nail tape, little like stripes, rainbow stripes. Like, look at all of this stuff, guys. Like crazy. Sweet Dreams mica powder. And just look, I did a little swatch. Oh, purple's my color. So this box is just, ugh. Now we have a microfine glitter stacker. And just look at these colors. Oh, they're so pretty. And they're so sparkly. So sparkly. Look how pretty. Like a pink, a minty green, and a peach. Oh. That's not it, bitches. Look at the beads. PDB recommends only getting 2 boxes because some are different, and that's all you need, you know? Look at this sprinkle pack. It is so freaking cute. I'm telling you, this is going to push me way past my comfort zone. We already did a glitter swirl. With the glitter, like I am in love. We have some clay cutters, a little cupcake, and a little candy, and it comes in its cute little bag. I am most excited for this alcohol ink, and I don't think I'm there yet, but we're almost there. Oh, we are there. This alcohol ink, I literally gasped when I saw it. It is a color shift ink, and just look at, oh, it's on. I cannot wait to use it. We even have some barrette blanks, little hair clips. Look how freaking cute. There's just so much you can do. Now, I cannot pronounce this. Look, you got little cookies. You got chocolate. You got a little sucker. You got little candies. Look, y'all know I suck at pronunciation. But these are just the freaking cutest. Little icing gumdrops. A little wafer. I mean, just look how cute. Y'all, I tried. It's just so colorful. The little pretzel. And they look so realistic. So freaking realistic. I've been saying for quite some time that I want to play with clay and, you know, really sculpt some things. And this box is going to give me that chance to give it a try to see if I like doing that or if I would enjoy it. So next up, we got a clay. This color is Bordeaux. It is so pretty. Like I said, we're gonna try some things. We even have the Decadent Whip and the sauce already in the piping bags. Like, everything is here for you. 2 white backed decals. I talked this entire thing, y'all, but look. Surround yourself with candy, not negativity. Sprinkle your day with some sweetness. I really like the white back decals because they can go on any color. Any color. Now we got a couple of glitter peel decals. These are from Enchanted Soapery. I have always wanted to try this. I love Jess. So I am super excited. It comes with the instructions and you got your little glitter peel decals. Little suckers and cakes. Super excited for that. And now we even got some UV DTF wraps. We got 2. This one, the top one right there, is some donuts and some sprinkles. And then the next one is the old-fashioned candy shop. Y'all know I love me some UV DTF wraps. So, y'all already know I am in heaven. So much new. I just don't know how they fit all of this into this box because this is just wow. I forgot the glitter. This is a glitter swirl we did yesterday with the glitter. And this is Cutie Pie and Gummy Bear. Look at this in its natural light. Like, wow. Each box comes with 2 glitters, too. Can y'all believe this box? I am shook and ready to create. Thanks for watching. And please like, subscribe, and share. Let's get it, bitches.